Hello guys and girls, I will show you now how to increase my broadband connection speed up. Now follow my tutorial. Click network and internet settings. Click network and sharing center. Click Ethernet. Click Fortis. Choice internal protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Click here and again click here properties. Use the following DNS server address. Click here and write here 208.67 and 222. Again 222. Now write here 208.67 and 220. Again 220. Everything is okay. Now check your number. Click OK. Close everything. Now connect your internet. Then you use now follow. Increase your internet speed. Goodbye. Please subscribe my channel. Then more video.